All right, guys, we're all loaded up and we're headed over to Push Chips again. As per a few people requesting, they said, oh man, you should have done a time lapse of you pushing those chips. Tim out in Arizona, he was best friend growing up, best man at my wedding. Yeah, this one's for you, bud. We're headed over there and we're gonna put this camera up on a tree somewhere, hopefully get a good view, throw it on time lapse. I got a auxiliary battery. Hopefully that's a long enough battery to record everything. And here we go.
Devil, and it ain't no lie. Living in the shadows of the pale moonlight. She been running with the angels everyone could see. God-fearing church going honestly. That silver-tongued devil swept her off her feet. Promised her the world just to steal her dreams. He knew it was coming, it was his last night. Lord, when they caught him, should have heard him cry. Good Lord willing, in the creek don't rise. Town folk hollering, hang 'em up high. Sin is sin in the good Lord's eye, and the hangman's waiting just to watch you die. Dead man walking, dead man walking. He said, I didn't do it, now that's the truth. Tell me how I could've, 'cause there ain't no proof. All man said, for we ain't no fool. You're gonna meet your maker at the end of that noose. Good Lord willing, in the creek don't rise. Town folk hollering, hang 'em up high. Sin is sin in the good Lord's eye, and the hangman's waiting just to watch you die. Dead man walking, dead man walking. To the gallows, you could hear him say, baby girl, promise it'll be okay. She begged and pleaded, said you have to wait. The lawman said, girl, you're way too late. Good Lord willing, in the creek don't rise. Town folk hollering, hang 'em up high. Sin is sin in the good Lord's eye, and the hangman's waiting just to watch you die. Good Lord willing, in the creek don't rise. Town folk hollering, hang 'em up high. Sin is sin in the good Lord's eye, but you might have got it wrong if the hangman cries. Strung 'em up high, swinging side by side. Devil on the left and an angel on the right. Dead man walking,